Guys, today is the day. It is the medieval festival. I've got my outfit ready. I've got my hair done in braids that I left in overnight, so hopefully I get those nice curls. I'm gonna try it on. I'm so excited, guys. You don't understand. I've been waiting 2 years for this opportunity. I've never been to one. I didn't even know Sydney ran any until I found out about the Blacktown City Council one. Every year so far it's been cancelled or postponed, but then cancelled. So this year's happening. It's sunny outside, so I'm super excited. I hope it's a great day and I can't wait. Alright, this is it. This is the fit. So, you can see, got my little corset on, my belt of knickknacks. I've got my skirt that's overlaid on top of this dress. You can see the details in this corset. Little detail, but little brown ribbon in the back. My overnight curls, so I didn't have to do much work here. That's it. This is the outfit. You know what? I have a detail to add. Which one should I take with me today? I think Oscar. I think my son Oscar wants to join me on this journey. Hey, yay, hey, yeah. Okay, I have to head out now. Oh, you know what? I actually have to go to the post office to deliver this package. Because I am a custom shoe artist. FYI, I do make custom shoes. I'm on commission and I have to drop off a package to the post office and I have to deliver it in my fit. Okay, I think I've decided on actually wearing my work boots because I have Doc Martens, but I don't know, I feel like I don't really want to get them too dirty. Whereas construction boots, you know, they can take a little bit of dirt, a little bit of grime, so this is historically accurate medieval fit, by the way. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh my god, guys. My mom's gonna kill me. Oh my god, she's gonna execute me. I won't even make it to the medieval festival. Alright, I'm at the post office. Morning! Good. That's all. Thank you! I did it! Luckily it was freaking quiet. Ooh, they didn't even bat an eye. Alright, I'm gonna drive to my friend's place now and we're gonna carpool together and head to the festival. See you soon. Here we are, guys. We're walking to the medieval fair. Hear ye, hear ye. It's so nice because there's so many people dressed up. We're not the only ones. So I feel a little more in place versus than at the post office this morning. I'm so excited. Damn. Damn, guys.
2 tickets? Excellent.
Thank you. Oh, yeah. Thank you.
A good shot. So that means it has to have a bit of shot in it. There is an assumed amount of armor that these guys have.
Okay, so we're watching a gunfire and archery show. This is really cool.
1, 2, 4,
5.
5,
Oh, they're covering it.
Fire the
Where do they land?
now.
Alright, so we're now at the medieval markets where we can buy lots of stuff. It looks great. It looks like there's so many different kinds of things, like jewelry, yarn, jerky, leather and craft and things like that. Just so many cool things. We're watching a bird show now. Alright, so the jousting is on, so we're gonna find a good spot to watch the jousts. The jousts! The jousts! How are you finding it, Lummy?
Jousting. Very fun. All these outfits are nice.
I know.
Yeah, we're getting ready for the jousting.
Yeah, we fit right in with our outfits, so I'm so happy we dressed up because everyone here is committed to the bit, to the whole thing, so it's really cool.
With sticks.
Oh my god, they look badass!
To put themselves on the line for your entertainment.
Oh, there's girlies! They're so cool!
First among equals, I give you Sean Penny, ladies and gentlemen. A round of applause for Sean.
Whoa!
He is a newcomer to
Oh my
jousting
God.
and a local to the region.
Oh
He
my
aims to take up the
God.
lance himself in this tournament. In Lady Amelia.
Yeah!
Amelia
This may be the best day of my life.
youngest ever winner. Championship in horse archery.
Yeah!
For the first time in many years, please welcome Lady Isabella. And you see, Sir Sean, trying to take the rings.
Oh, that was electrifying, invigorating, inspirational, absolutely electric. How'd you find it, guys? Oh, it's so cool!
There was this one horse that was like. That was hectic, but
It was hectic.
I want to see them hit each other now. That's all.
Yeah, jousting, jousting. Yay! Woo! Oh my god, look at this badass. Oh my god. We have decided that we will be doing archery tag. So if you see behind me, there's a little archery thing and yeah, we're just gonna do it.
Goes on top of the table. Grips one finger on top, two. All the way back. Keep going, keep going.
Yeah, Sully! Yay! Yes.
Archery gangs.
Damn!
The guy in red smirking. Look at the guy in red, bro. Launching arrows across the map.
Alright, well I didn't expect to be doing this. Get in here. I think we're battling a family. There's a mother, a father, and their two children.
Did you say unfortunately?
Oh, I mean, fortunately.
I can't mean anything anymore.
we may be separating a family today.
They're not reaching fun.
Guys, we just finished the archery battle and the jousts are officially starting, so we're trying to get a good spot to see the jousting. But it's crazy. There's so many people around and they're literally starting now. Oh my god.
Applause for Lady Tag. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. That's a better hit there. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Three. The next match will be between Lady Amanda and Sir Rodney. He's going to double down for us. So choose your night and give them a cheer. Let's see. I don't know if you saw it, ladies and gentlemen, but Sir Rodney's lance hit Lady Amanda's shield and then bounced up and hit her in the face.
Okay, so so we've just finished watching the jousting, and we're heading back, walking back to our car after what was an amazing day. There's still lots of activities happening, like LARPing, there's markets, obviously still so busy, so many people, so much food, but we've been here since 10 a.m. It is around, what time is it, 3 o'clock? 3:30 now, so we've been here all day, and we think we've done a good amount, so love the medieval festival, highly recommend. Blacktown City Council is amazing for running events like this. It's just so good, so good. It's clearly a great sense of community, some wonderful people with lots of various interests, and bringing everyone together for what is such a wholesome, lovely day. You look amazing, by the way. I have to say something. Yeah, so it's amazing, just so great, and I love it. Anyways, until the next one. Woo!